Guys, if you're an existing NCB customer, you can open an online bank account in a few minutes, right? And a lot of people are not aware of this. And guess what? It's a bad idea to have one bank account. You need to have multiple savings accounts. So for example, you have a savings account where your card is linked to. So for example, if somebody get your card or clone your card, you only have access to that account and you only keep money in that account that you are going to spend, right? And then for your other accounts, you could say this is your regular savings account, and this account you could be using for your investment fund or a down payment on a house or something. But it's a good idea to have multiple accounts and not just one savings account. So with that said, when you're logged into your online banking, you want to look for the quick links option like right here. Then what you're going to do is select new account and then select the type of account that you want. So you could open a US account, you could open a Canadian account. So if you want to do that, then you'll select foreign currency savings, or you want to go with a regular savings account, you could do that. Now the sunshine savers, it says that, hey, regular consistent savings, reap rich rewards, look for earning potential, and great banking privileges. You'd have to call them to get more details about that. I don't know what that is about really. So let's say you go with a regular savings account. Then you select open account. Select your preferred branch where you want your account to be maintained. You can select the closest one to you, right? So let's say my typical branch would be 126 Knoxford Boulevard. That's where your account will be maintained. Purpose of your account, again, there are a bunch of reasons. Like I previously mentioned, you could do home purchase, right? Estimated deposit, I'm going to say $1,000. Source of funds, select what best applies to you. I'm just going to say dividends here. Now this part is very important. Add account to debit card. No, you do not want to add your account to your debit card. Why? Because if somebody gets access to that debit card, they then can access your other bank accounts. And this is very important that if you have other bank accounts, right, you want to ensure that your card can only access one account. It may be bad for you if you need to get quick cash, but then again, you can do the transfer online to that account. So you want to ensure that your card do not have access to your other accounts. So this is something that you want to call your bank about and say, hey, do my card have access to my other accounts? If they say yes, tell them remove it, right? So with that said, we're going to select no. For tax residency, man, I add man, so we're going to select Jamaica down. Are you a Jamaican tax resident? Are you a Jamaican tax resident? Yes. Select what best applies to you. Are you a specified person in the US? Select what best applies to you. Right? Read through the terms and conditions. Anyways, so here, this is going to be my electronic signature. See, ready, set, done. Submit application. So that's it. An NCB representative will contact me within 48 hours to complete the account opening process. An email confirmation was sent to my email address. After opening your account, you can access it online, right? So you don't have to really do anything from your end. Even though I said $1,000, I did not know that the minimum was increased to $5,000, so I would need to transfer $5,000 to that account. You can fund your account by transferring from another account, right? So they also said it here. So I'm just going to exit this, and that's literally it, guys. For the feedback, I'm going to definitely give them a 10 because the process was really simple, don't? So let's close that. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't. Oh.